I'm Channa from Our Education. IAS officers are policy makers, and most of the services in civil services deals with the peoples and policies. UPSC subjects in the civil services are designed to judge you on the basis of your understanding of the things around you, as only informed person can take informed decision as a civil servant. So, what are the major subjects which has to be covered in IAS preparation? Subjects for the prelims exam are history, economics, geography and political science, general science including physics, biology and chemistry, environmental science and sociology. And for mains paper, general studies have the 4 papers and each paper is of 250 marks. And English paper has 300 qualifying marks. And EC paper is of 250 marks with any language as a medium. And that Indian language as 300 marks as qualifying. I hope these tips will really help you. So please like and subscribe my channel for more examination related updates.